Dear learners, how are you feeling today? Hope feeling good and doing good. Let's see. Shortest distance between two lines. In a space, there are lines which are neither intersecting nor parallel. Such pair of lines, non-coplanar and are called skew lines. When you see that any room is there, okay, one of you drawing a line from diagonal, this corner to this corner to that corner, you are drawing a line on the floor. Another one is drawing opposite direction, but on the ceiling is drawing another line. So both lines, one is going through ceilings, one is going through floor, but seems to be intersecting, but never intersect each other. They are not parallel also. Such kind of lines are called skew lines. Okay, to find shortest distance between those two lines is perpendicular distance. If I take distance from this corner to that corner, both the lines, this corner to top, that corner, if I take, it will not be a shortest distance. Where shortest distance you will get? It seems to be where it intersecting, right? There you will get shortest, that perpendicular distance. That is called shortest distance between two skew lines. So how to find shortest distance? Distance between two skew lines. For example, you take here line L2, then line L1. One line. So there are many lines you get. See TQ. TQ is a line, it is not shortest distance. Shortest distance must be perpendicular. Shortest distance must be perpendicular. PQ. So A1, A2, the position vector PQ we are taking. Okay. R vector. So two lines. R vector equal to A1 vector plus lambda B1 vector. Then R vector equal to A2 vector plus lambda B2. Because two lines, based on two lines. Here lambda is real number. Lambda is a real number. So PQ is nothing but distance dot n cap. N cap is what? What is n cap? Vector you studied, no? N cap. Magnitude of it. So same thing we are using. So distance D is equal to modulus of A2 vector minus A1 vector dot B1 vector into B2 vector whole divided by magnitude of B1 vector into B2 vector. This is shortest distance between lines of vector form. What is this form? This vector form. Mostly they ask vector form only to find shortest distance. Rarely they ask for Cartesian form. Cartesian form will be numerator modulus. You have to use modulus of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Matrix you have to make. Whole divided by square root of b1 c2 plus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 plus c2 a1 the whole square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. All minus 1. Is it? Not plus. Okay. This is Cartesian form. Now let's see distance between parallel lines. Okay. Now parallel lines L1, L2 parallel lines. Here ST distance, it is not perpendicular. TP is the perpendicular. So position vector P. So A vector, A2 vector, the position vector is P vector. So two lines are there. So R vector is equal to A1 vector plus lambda B vector, and R2 vector is another R vector is equal to A2 vector plus lambda B vector. So lambda here is a real number. So shortest distance where we discussed for two skew lines. Here two parallel lines. Correct. So two parallel lines there. That's why we take here B, not B1 cross B2, just B. A2 vector minus A1 vector cross product B vector whole divided by magnitude of B vector. Whole modulus. Because distance always remain in a positive. Correct. If you get negative answer also, you have to make it positive. That's why this modulus. So based on previous skew lines, let us see one problem. Find the shortest distance between the lines L1 and L2 whose vector equations are r equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap, and r vector equal to 4I cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap plus mu 2I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Here both we have used lambda, they have given lambda and mu. This is the difference, both real numbers. Okay. In this question, A1 is what? First. What is in place of A1? This is there, isn't it? In place of A1, what is given that? So A1 is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Then where in place of B, whatever is given, that is we have to take it as B1. So B1 I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. In place of A2, whatever is that 4I cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap. and in place of B2 whatever is there, 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap, right? So distance formula already we know. This is skew line. B will be same. If B is same, then we can use by seeing this B part, both whatever vector is given equal or same, then we can consider as this is parallel. They are not same. B1, B2 are not same. Right? So they are not parallel. So we have to use this formula. A2 vector minus A1 vector dot B1 vector cross B2 vector all divided by modulus of B1 vector cross B2. First we need to find A2 vector minus A1 vector. 4 minus 1, 4, so 3 I cap. 5 minus 2, 3 j cap. 6 minus 3, 3 k cap. So B1 cross B2, we have to use matrix I cap, j cap, k cap. B1, what is B1? 1 minus 3, 2. So 1 minus 3, 2. Isn't it? 1 I am getting for coefficient of I cap. Minus 3 I am getting coefficient of j cap. 2 I am getting coefficient of k cap. The same way B2. 2, 3, 1. 2 is stand for I coefficient. 3 for j coefficient. K for 1 for k coefficient. So now expanding R1 matrix R1 expanding I times. So eliminating first row and first column. 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Then 2 into 3 6. According to the formula here negation you have. So minus 3 minus 6. Then middle term. So minus j times eliminating middle row and column. So 2 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. So minus 2 plus k. Eliminating this corresponding rows and column. 1 into 3 3. 2 into 3 minus 6. But according to the formula here minus or right. Minus of minus 6 is plus 6. Right? So here we get minus 9i. Then negative here answer 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus j. Minus 3 into minus j is plus 3j I cap. 3j cap. Then here is 9 k cap. That is product of B1 vector, B2 vector. So cross product of B1 vector, B2 vector. Then magnitude B1 vector cross B2 vector. So that means what you have to square it. Minus 9 square 81 plus 3 square 9 plus 9 square 81. So when you add, you will get square root of 171. Square root of 171 is nothing but 9 times 19. So 9 we can take it as 3 as a root, isn't it? Square root of 9 is 3. So 3 root 9. By applying in the formula, whatever value we found, we are applying in the formula, distance equal to A2 minus A1. What is that? 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap. Dot product. So dot. Then B1 cross B2, that is minus 9i plus 3j plus 9k. Now dot product. Dot product means we have to multiply the corresponding I cap, j cap, k cap by eliminating I, j, k. Just multiply the coefficient. So 3 into minus 9 minus 27. 3 into 3 plus 9. 3 into 9 plus 27. Plus 27 minus 27 get cancelled. So 9 by 3 root 19 will get. So 3 1 time 3 times 9. So the answer is 3 by 19. So shortest distance for these two vector equation is 3 by root 19 units. Because it is distance, so you have to write units. Hope you understand well. Come on, let's see one parallel question. Okay. We got to look at this sum. Find the distance between the lines L1 and L2 given by R vector equal to I cap 2j cap minus 4k cap plus lambda times 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap and R vector equal to 3i cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap plus mu times 4i cap plus 6j cap plus 2k cap. By seeing this question, we can use skew lines also. But if there is a common factor to take it out, you can take it out. So same thing, we can write this part alone. If I take 2 commonly out, then what will happen? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. Now we will look at both are same. So these two lines are parallel. We can take it parallel. So parallel formula you can use to find shortest distance. Here A1 is this, A2 is this, and B we are taken as a parallel, right? So 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. So shortest distance formula when parallel lines are given. A2 minus A1 cross product B vector whole divided by magnitude of B vector. So A2 minus A1 is A2 minus A1, B 3 minus 1 2i cap, 3 minus 2 j cap, minus 5 minus of minus 4 is just minus k cap. Then A2 minus A1 vector times cross product B vector. What we get? We have to use matrix form. Then we get I cap 6 plus 3 minus j cap 12 plus 2 and k cap 6 minus 2. So when you simplify 9 I cap minus 14 j cap plus 4 k cap. This is a2 vector minus a1 vector cross product of b vector. Then magnitude of b vector is just we have to magnitude you have to find it. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. 4 plus 9 plus 36. So root 49, that is 9, 7. Now here magnitude of 9 I cap minus 14 j cap plus 4 k cap. So magnitude means what? You have to find the square root of coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap square. Sorry, so 9 square 81, 14 square minus 14 square 196, then 4 square 60. So what will you get? Square root of 293 by 7 units. This is the shortest distance of given two lines. So you can try yourself, do it yourself, this question. So here is given little bit tricky. The I cap you have to separate with each term, then you will get in the form of r vector equal to a vector plus lambda b vector. Then we can proceed same method, either this skew method or parallel method, that you need to find out and do it. Hope you enjoyed well. You have understood the concept. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you.